In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 1password. By the end, you'll have your account created, the browser extension installed, and your security details safely saved so you can start your trial with confidence. First, open your browser and search for 1password. Click through to the official site. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the real 1password domain so you know you're in the right place. Next, choose Create a New Account. You'll be asked to pick a plan, review the options, then select the one that fits your needs and click Try Free for 14 days. The trial lets you explore everything before you commit, but you will add a payment method shortly, so be sure you're comfortable with the plan's pricing and billing schedule. You'll be prompted to add the 1password browser extension. Click Add Extension. If you're using Chrome, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. This connects your browser to your new account so 1password can save and fill passwords for you as you browse. On the sign-up form, enter your name and your email address, and check the box to get emails from 1password if you want product updates and helpful tips. When you're ready, click Next. Now verify your email. Go to your inbox, find the code 1password just sent, enter it, and click Next. You may see a confirmation screen. Click Next again to proceed. Create your account password and confirm it by typing it a second time. Choose something strong and memorable to you, like a long passphrase made of random words, and avoid reusing passwords from anywhere else. Click Next. It's time to add a payment method. Click Add a Payment Method, then enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and select your region or country. Review the billing details, check the box to agree to pay the annual fee, and then click Subscribe and Create Account. This completes your trial setup and ensures uninterrupted access when the trial ends. You'll now generate your secret key. Click Generate Secret Key, then download your backup by selecting Save PDF. This key, together with your account password, protects your data. Store the PDF securely, keep it private, and don't share it with anyone. Click Next, and you're all set. Your account is created, the extension is installed, and your secret key is safely backed up. You can now use 1password to securely manage your logins and streamline your browsing experience.